My experience at UTEP has been very great because I get to meet people from all sorts of backgrounds. I get to hear their stories, they share their experience with me, and we get to grow together. So it's been a very awesome time.
In COURI, my experience has been very fulfilling. I learned a lot, which is like the number one thing I tell anybody. Also, I made great friends, and so I'm very happy. I would really regret if I didn't come here to do this experience.
My experience has been great. It's been a lot of fun to work with the different PIs as well as to see the other Smart Mind students grow in their pursuit of their particular goals and in their research, as well as I've learned a lot about research itself and working in a lab and how to conduct yourself in a lab and all of that. So it's been a lot of fun. It's a great experience.
The Smart Mind program was really cool in itself, but what was also cool is living and working in proximity to people who are engineers, to people who are artists, to people who are studying biology, all of these different things. And through that, you get to meet all different people from all different parts of the country, and like whether we're talking about neuroscience or like playing soccer, you have so much more of an open mind onto what you want to study and just different views on the world in general.
Coming from a theater background into this research world, it was very challenging. I had no idea how to proceed with research, how to keep a notebook, where to begin, how to make a poster, how to do an art talk even. But thanks to COURI and their workshops and all the effort they put into it, I was able to learn how to time manage, how to project management, and how to even kind of dive into the scientific aspect part of it, even though they allowed me to keep my liberal arts portion of the research.
So this is my second time doing a COURI Symposium, and both experiences have been really good because it allows the students to talk to a broader audience. So typically we stay in our own field and we don't really branch out. And so I think it gives the students a really special opportunity to try and talk about something extremely scientifically complex to someone who's maybe from a creative writing or a totally different discipline. It allows you to exercise both the depth that you know about your own material as well as your ability to sort of look at the big picture and talk about what your science actually means for the larger population.
I would definitely recommend research, at least to give it a shot for the younger students who are just entering the university. Just go ahead and approach your professors. They're really open and they're really excited to see that students are motivated and they see that they want to sort of improve and advance with their academic career. If it's not for you, then at least you can say you give it a shot. But like I mentioned, this is an excellent opportunity to gain some experience and just to really improve your career.
My advice would be to just talk to people. Professors are humans too, and if you are really willing to put yourself out there and to really just put yourself into it, I think most people will give you a shot. As long as you really read up and try to learn as much as you can, I think that's a great way to start to get involved, to just reach out.